ready in the Funland with the Orchid School. So once again we have Sir Danish with us in our music session. So sir, how are you?
Yes, I'm good. What about you?
I'm great.
Great, okay. So good morning students. How are you all? I hope you all are very happy and safe at your places. Myself, Danish Arif, I am from the Orchid School and this is your music session, and in this session we are going to learn again poems
And rhymes.
songs, rhymes. That's great. Okay, so guys, are you all ready for these sessions?
Yes sir, we all are ready.
If you're ready,
For music, clap your hands.
clap your hands, clap your hands. If you're ready for music, clap your hands.
Clap,
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 clap, clap. Okay, so आज हम सीखेंगे 3 rhymes. The
Okay.
first one is
Pat a cake.
pat a cake. Yeah, first is pat a cake. The second one is
Sir,
red light,
Red light.
light.
Okay.
What do you say? The last one is लकड़ी की काठी, काठी पे घोड़ा. 2 English rhymes. The one is Urdu. Okay, so guys, are you all ready for this?
Yes sir, we are.
Okay, so Alisha, first we will learn lyrics,
Okay.
then
Actions. And the last composition.
composition, and then after all we'll sing
Together.
That's great. Say pat a cake, pat a cake.
Pat a cake, pat a cake.
Baker's man,
Baker's man.
pat a cake, pat a cake.
Pat a cake, pat a cake.
Baker's man,
Baker's man.
bake me a cake
Bake me a cake
as fast as you can.
as fast as you can.
Wow, that's great. Now again, okay?
Okay.
Pat a cake, pat a cake.
Pat a cake, pat a cake.
Baker's man,
Baker's man.
bake me a cake
Bake me a cake
as fast as you can.
as fast as you can.
That's great. Now roll it and pat it.
Roll it and pat it.
Mark it with a B.
Mark it with a B.
Again, roll it and pat it.
Roll it and pat it.
Mark it with a B.
Mark it with a B.
Put it in the oven
Put it in the oven
for baby
for baby.
and me.
And me.
Okay, that's great. Now again from the beginning.
Okay.
Okay. Now it's time to sing. Can you sing it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We all sing together.
Okay.
First I will sing, then after you will sing.
Okay, I'll repeat it after.
Okay. Pat a cake, baker's man.
Pat a cake, baker's man.
Yeah. अब आपकी बारी है, अब आपको sing करना है, okay? Come on, sing with us.
Pat a cake, baker's man. Pat a cake, baker's man.
Bake me a cake as fast as you can.
Bake me a cake as fast as you can.
Again from the beginning.
Okay.
Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can.
Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can.
Roll it and pat it and mark it with a B.
Roll it and pat it and mark it with a B.
Put it in the oven for baby and me.
Put it in the oven for baby and me.
Wow, that's great. Clap for yourself. You sang very nice. Now we all will sing together
Okay.
from the beginning. Okay? So I hope कि आप सब तैयार हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it and pat it and mark it with a B. And put it in the oven for baby and me.
Wow, that's great. Now it's time to sing with
Actions.
actions along
And
with
rhythm.
Rhythm.
Okay.
Yeah, that's great.
I want you guys to join with us.
One, 2, 3, 4.
Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you
Again.
can. Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it and pat it and mark it with a B. Put it in the oven for baby and me. Roll it and pat it and mark it with a B. Put it in the oven for baby and me.
That's great. I hope कि आप सबने enjoy किया song के अंदर.
Yes, sir. I
That's great.
enjoyed
Clap
a
for
lot.
yourself. Now it's time for next.
Okay.
Okay, so second name is
लकड़ी की काटी?
no.
No.
It was third.
Oh,
Red light.
yes, red light.
Red light. Red light. Red light. What do you say? I say stop and stop right away. Okay?
Okay,
Now
okay.
say after me. Red light, red light. What do you say?
Red light, what do you say?
आप सब हम हमारे साथ कह सकते हैं. Red light, what do you say?
Red light, what do you say?
I say stop and stop right away.
I say stop and stop right away.
That's great. Now, yellow light.
Okay.
Yellow light. What do you say?
Yellow light, what do you say?
Again.
Okay.
Yellow light. What do you say?
Yellow light, what do you say?
I say start and start right away.
I say start and start right away.
That's great. Now the last one is
Green.
green light. Okay. Green light. What do you say?
Green light, what do you say?
I say go and go right away.
I say go and go right away.
Very good. Now I hope कि इसके lyrics और इसके actions ready हो चुके हैं.
Yes,
So
sir.
अब हम sing करेंगे. Okay?
Okay. Let's all sing together. Red light, what do you say? I say stop and stop right away.
Again.
Red light, what do you say? I say stop and stop right away. Yellow light, what do you say? I say start and start right away. Yellow light, what do you say? I say start and start right away. Green light, what do you say? I say go and go
right away. Clap for yourself. That's great. Wonderful. Okay, so can we sing with rhythm now?
Yes, sir. Let's all sing together.
Okay, come on. One, two, three, four.
Red light, what do you say? I say stop and stop right away. Yellow light, what do you say? I say start and start right away. Green light, what do you say? I say go and go right away. Green light, what do you say? I say go and go right away.
Wow, I hope कि ये वाला सॉन्ग हमारा रेडी हो चुका है.
Okay.
इसके लिरिक्स भी रेडी हो गए हैं, इसके
Actions
कॉम्पोजिशन
भी,
भी रेडी हो गए, इसके एक्शन भी रेडी हो गए हैं.
Yes.
Now, so how many songs now till we have done?
We have done 2 songs
Two
up till
songs.
now.
Last one is
लकड़ी काटी,
लकड़ी की काठी, काठी पे घोड़ा, घोड़े की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा, दौड़ा 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 दौड़ा,
तुम उठा के
दुम
दौड़ा.
उठा के दौड़ा. Okay, come on, sing with me now. Okay.
Okay.
लकड़ी की काठी, काठी पे घोड़ा,
लकड़ी की काटी, काटी पे घोड़ा,
घोड़े के दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा,
घोड़े की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा,
दौड़ा 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 दुम उठा के दौड़ा.
दौड़ा 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 तुम उठा के दौड़ा.
Wow, that's great. Now sing together, okay guys?
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
लकड़ी की काटी, काटी पे घोड़ा, घोड़े की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा, दौड़ा 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 तुम उठा के दौड़ा.
Again. दौड़ा
दौड़ा दौड़ा दौड़ा तुम उठा के दौड़ा.
Wow, that's great. Come on, clap for yourself. उम्मीद है कि आप सब इस सेशन को एंजॉय कर रहे हैं. आप एंजॉय कर रहे हैं?
I did
मैं
a
तो
lot.
बहुत एंजॉय कर रहा हूँ.
Yes,
Come
sir.
on, the next one is
Okay.
घोड़ा था घुमंडी, पहुंचा सब्जी मंडी, घोड़ा था
मंडी पहुंचा सब्जी मंडी
सब्जी मंडी बर्फ पड़ी तो घोड़े को लग गई
ठंडी
टक पक टक पक. Very good. Okay, again. Okay. Now you can sing.
Yes.
1 2 3 4.
घोड़ा था मंडी पहुंचा सब्जी मंडी बर्फ पड़ी तो घोड़े को लग गई ठंडी टक बक
दौड़ा
दौड़ा तुम उठा के दौड़ा दौड़ा तुम उठा के दौड़ा.
Very nice. Clap for yourself. Very nice. Now it's time to sing with rhythm. Come on.
You guys join us.
That's great. लकड़ी की काठी
पे घोड़ा
घोड़े की दुम पे
जो मारा हथौड़ा
दौड़ा
तुम उठा के दौड़ा.
Wow. 1 2 3 4.
लकड़ी की काठी पे घोड़े की तुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा तुम उठा के दौड़ा तुम उठा के दौड़ा. लकड़ी की काठी पे घोड़े की तुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा तुम उठा के दौड़ा तुम उठा के दौड़ा.
One, two, three. घोड़ा था
मंडी पहुंचा सब्जी मंडी बर्फ पड़ी तो घोड़े को लग गई ठंडी टक बक घोड़ा था मंडी पहुंचा सब्जी मंडी बर्फ पड़ी तो घोड़े को लग गई ठंडी दौड़ा तुम उठा के दौड़ा तुम उठा के दौड़ा. लकड़ी की काठी पे घोड़े की तुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा तुम उठा के दौड़ा तुम उठा के दौड़ा.
Okay, so that's great. I hope you have enjoyed this session. So, Alisha, how many songs we have done today?
Sir, we have learned 3 songs today.
3 songs. So can you tell me the names?
Yes, sir. First, Red Light,
Red Light,
Batter Cake, and the last one, Lakdi Ki Kathi.
लकड़ी की काठी. That's great. I hope कि आप सबको वाले songs याद हो चुके हैं, along with actions. You want to say something?
Yes, sir. I enjoyed a lot in this session because we have learned 3 very exciting poems. Don't forget to give us your feedback, and let's move on towards our next session then.
Welcome to Fun and Learn with the Orchid School. With whom? With Miss Savera. I hope you are learning a lot. You have learned so many sounds. You have learned numbers. You have learned shapes. And you have learned months of the year, days of the week. And obviously, we are going to start our new series, that is CBC Words. You have learned, yesterday we have learned adwords, and today let's see what we are learning. Okay, are you ready? Let's learn together. Okay, this is our new friend. Do you know who is it? No, you don't know. All right, I will tell you, don't worry. This is ir. Say it with me again. Ir. Ir. Yes. Rose. And what's the color of the rose? Yes, it's red in color. Do you like rose flower? Yes, I love flowers and I love red flowers. You like them? Okay, I also like them. Okay. Rabbit. Rabbit. And do you know rabbit is a pet animal? And what does it like to eat? It likes to eat carrot. It likes to eat carrot. Wow. Ring. Do you wear the rings? I'm talking about the girls. Girls, you like to wear the rings? See, I'm wearing rings. 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 Robot. Robot. All right. Rain. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little children want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Do you like rainy season? Yes, everybody likes to play in rain. You also like to play in rain? Great. Now let's move on. And words. And words. Yesterday we have learned at words. Today we are going to learn and words. These are called CVC words. Okay, we have learned a sound, we have learned in sound. Now we are going to blend them. How we will blend and make one sound, that is a in, makes the sound of an. Say it with me. A in makes the sound of an. You have to remember it. Okay. Now move on the words. An, man, an, ran, and tan. When you sit in sunlight, you walk in sunlight, you jog in sunlight, you become tan. काले हो जाते हैं ना, उसी को बोलते हैं tan. ठीक है? Remember it. Okay. And fan. This is summer season and we like to sit in fans. Isn't it so? Good. And can. Oh, Pepsi cans, different type of fruit cocktail cans. Remember? These are the can. That is also can. This is also can. You have to remember it. Can. And can. Okay, now I will move on a new month of the year. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you listening? Are you looking? Are you thinking? Great. I hope you are. Okay, now let's move on to a new month of the year, and that is, first we will reinforce the previous months. Okay, get ready. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, and today we are going to learn a new spelling of 9th month of the year, that is September. Ready? Okay. S-E-P T-E-M-B-E-R, Ber, September, and it's the 9th month of the year. Okay, great. As you know, we have learned a lot of things up till now. We have learned so many sounds, we have learned seasons. Okay, remember 4 seasons? We have learned days of the week. Oh my God, so many things. And we have learned colors, red, yellow, blue, orange, green, purple. So many things we have learned together. Isn't it so? And we have learned body parts. Are you enjoying? And what we have learned today as well. Come on, we are going to reinforce that. Let's see. We have learned N words. Man, tan, ran, fan, can. We have learned today. Robot, rabbit, rose, ring, rain. And we have learned the spelling of a new month, that is September, which is the 9th month of the year. Okay, we have learned the spelling of January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. Today we have learned September, and we are going to learn more things tomorrow. But for that, you have to wait till tomorrow. Our new episode of Fun and Learn with the Orchid School, with Miss Savera. See you tomorrow with your happy faces. Bye. Allah Hafiz.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Fun and Learn activities with the Orchid School. I hope you all are fine, doing well, taking care of yourself at home. Good. Now we are going to start with numbers. So are you all ready? Yes, because this is your math segment. So in math segment we are going to learn numbers. So do you remember I told you yesterday that I am going to talk about 13. So let's revise from 11 and then I will tell you about 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is a bar of 10. This is a bar of 10. A bar of 10 and one beat makes 11. Very good. A bar of 10 and 2 makes 12. Well done. A bar of 10 and 3 makes 13. Yes, I know I have to tell you. A bar of 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4. A bar of 10 and 4 makes 14. Now I will tell you what I wanted to tell you for 13. You know, 13 and 14. 13, 14. Now these are teen numbers. We have started with teen numbers. 13 and a bar of 10 and 4 makes 14. 13, 14. See, in 13 and 14, they both are ending with teen. Yes, that's why we call them teen numbers. So, let's do it one more time. A bar of 10 and 1 makes 11. A bar of 10 and 2 makes 12. A bar of 10 and 3 makes 13. A bar of 10 and 4 makes 14. Wow, you all are very well child, very good students. You all learn very fast. Well done. Now, oops, what are these? These are 2 baskets. Very good. But you know what is different between in these 2 baskets? One basket is full of sticks and the other basket is empty. See, there are no sticks. One basket is full. The other basket is empty. These are opposites. These are the concept. Full, empty. Full, empty. This basket is full of sticks and this basket is empty. Can you see this jar? See, this is a full of cards. What if I take all these cards out? Now this jar is empty. Now it's full. Empty. Full. Empty. Full. In the same, we have this color basket, color jar we can say, and I have taken all these colors out. Now this is empty. Full. Empty. This is again, oops, one is coming out. This is again full. So here we are learning the concept of full and empty. Do you drink water in a glass? When the water is inside, the glass is full. Once you will drink it, it's going to be empty. You can try at your home. Okay? Now, let's see, what do I have? Oops. I have leaves with me. I have birds with me. And I have this insect, and the name of this insect is ladybug. So I have ladybugs. But what we are going to do with all these? We are going to do addition. What we are going to do? addition. Yesterday we did the addition. Today we will also do the addition. This will be your reinforcement. So are you all ready? This time you have to tell me. Are you all alert? Your ears are open? Good. Now let's see how many ladybugs I have at one side and how many I have at the other side. So 1, 2, 3. I have 3 ladybugs at one side and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ladybugs are at the other side. And what is in between these 2 ladybugs side? There are 2 sides. What is this in between? This is the sign of addition. Very good. This is a sign of additions because we are doing addition. So I have placed a sign of addition over here. So we can do addition. We can join them all together and we will get a proper number. Okay. So let's count how many they all are together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They are 7. Is this number 7? No. Is this number 7? No. Is this number 7? Yes, well done kids. This is number 7. So I am going to take the 7 and I am going to place it here. See, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Okay? 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Now I have birds. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 birds at one side. 1, 2. I have 2 birds at other side. Now how many birds altogether I have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. Where is number 5? This is number 5? No. Is this number 5? Yes, good job everyone. This is number 5. I am going to paste my 5 after is equals to 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Okay, what are these? These are leaves. Let's count how many leaves I have at one side and how many leaves I have at other side. So 1, 2, 3. 3 leaves I have at one side. Let's see the other side. 1, 2, 3. The 3 leaves are on other side. How many leaves altogether I have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. Where is number 6? Is this number 6? Yes, you are very clever. You know that only one number is left. It means it's number 6. Okay, so 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. What we have just done? We did addition. Okay, this is called addition. So how was today's segment? I hope you liked today's segment. Are you learning something from our segments? Do comment us that what you have learned from all these segments, all these episodes, okay? So what we have learned today, we have learned till number 14. And I just told you that 13 and 14 are teen numbers. We did the concept of full, empty. Again it's full. What else we did? We did addition. We did the addition. Tomorrow inshallah we are going to do more new activities. Till then miss me. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.
Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the art session of the Fun and Learn with the Orchid School. So once again I would like to call a very talented arts teacher Sir Mushtaq with me.
Hello and welcome everyone. I hope you will be fine at your home. Hello Alicia, how are you beta?
Hi sir, I'm fine. How are you?
I am very much fine.
Okay.
So guys, today I am going to teach you how to make a cap.
Okay, so we are making something that will protect your face and eyes from sunlight.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
And the materials are for
Yes.
the cap, but before material I am going to show you the cap.
Okay.
A green color for the shade
Yes.
and red color for the
Headbands.
headbands. Okay?
Okay.
So I will use two colors.
Okay.
Number one yellow
Yes.
and another
Purple.
purple.
Okay.
Yellow color for the shade
Yes.
and purple color for the
Headband.
headband. So I need some more material. I need a scale.
Yes.
I need a pencil.
Pencil.
I need a
Sticku.
sticku. I need a cutter.
Cutter.
I need a
Hot glue gun.
hot glue gun, and I need a scissor,
Sharp scissors.
a very sharp scissor.
Okay.
So first I am going to cut a headband of size almost 2 inches.
Okay.
For the 2 inches I will use this
Scale.
scale
It's for
Then-
the headband?
for the headband,
Okay.
and the size should be 2 inches by 27 or 30 inches.
Okay.
2 inches.
You guys can try it with any color combination.
Yeah, it's totally up to you. Now अब मैं इसे ट्रेस कर रहा हूँ
Okay.
by using this ruler.
Okay.
कलर कॉम्बिनेशन आप कोई भी रख सकते हैं, ठीक है। मैंने पर्पल रखा हुआ है हेडबैंड के लिए और येलो रखा है फॉर
For
द
the
शेड के
shade.
लिए।
Okay.
अगर मैं आपसे कहता तो आप कौन सा कलर चूज करती हैं अपने लिए?
Sir, I will choose black and white.
ब्लैक एंड वाइट।
Yeah.
वेरी गुड, नाइस कॉम्बिनेशन। ओके, नाउ इट्स टाइम टू कट दिस
Headband.
headband
Okay.
by using this sharp
Scissor.
scissor.
So, sir, what's the measurement again?
2 inches by 30 inches or
Okay.
27 inches.
Okay. 2 inches. It's for the width.
2 inches for the height
Okay.
and 30 or 27 inches for the width.
Okay.
The scissor is very sharp.
Yeah.
Now the extra piece है, इसे हम क्या करेंगे?
Side
इसे हम
पे रख
साइड पे
Okay.
रख देंगे like this.
Okay. So the strip is for the headband.
Yes, the strip
Okay.
is ready.
Okay.
Okay, now अब हम क्या करेंगे? Before we going for the shade,
Yes.
हम इसे राउंड कर देंगे, इस स्ट्रिप को राउंड करेंगे,
Okay.
ठीक है। और इसका जो डायमीटर हम लेंगे ऑलमोस्ट 7.5 इंचेस लेंगे,
Okay.
ठीक है। 7 इंचेस, 7.5 इंचेस जो है यूजुअली जो नॉर्मल हेड साइज होता है वो 7.5
Okay.
इंचेस के
Okay.
जितने होता है।
It's for the average size.
Yes,
Okay.
it's for the average size. So I have a 7.5 inches
Circle.
circle over here in my hand.
Okay.
ठीक है, 7.5 inches in my hand. अब हम क्या करेंगे, इसे इस पर फोल्ड करेंगे और हमें 7.5 इंचेस का एक राउंड मिल जाएगा, ठीक है।
Okay.
तो हम इसे क्या करते हैं, सबसे पहले इसको हाइड करने के लिए हम लेते हैं, क्या लेते हैं, हाँ यस, हमने ली एक छोटी सी प्लेट,
Okay. Paper plate.
पेपर प्लेट
Okay.
फॉर द हाइट।
Yes.
इस पेपर प्लेट का बेसिकली कैप से कोई ताल्लुक नहीं है, बट हम सिर्फ इसकी हाइट को मेंटेन करने के लिए
For
और
the
इसे ग्लू करने के
perfection.
लिए फॉर द परफेक्शन हम ये ले रहे हैं, ठीक है। नाउ इट्स टाइम टू यूज दिस स्टिको।
So the diameter is 7.5 inches.
7.5 inches.
Okay.
Very good, very good. Now it's time to paste it.
Okay.
7.5 inches diameter is ready
Okay.
in my hand. तो हम इस प्लेट को यहाँ रख देंगे ताकि हमारे नेक्स्ट सेशन में भी काम आ जाए ये प्लेट।
Okay.
सो गाइस द डायमीटर इज रेडी।
Ready.
अब हम इसे क्या करेंगे, दोबारा से इसे सेट करेंगे प्रॉपरली लाइक दिस। हाँ, अब हम ले रहे हैं एक शेड।
Okay.
शेड के लिए हमने येलो पेपर लिया है। हम इस पे रखेंगे डायमीटर अपना ना 7.5 इंचेस बाय 7.5 इंचेस का, और इससे सेट करते हुए
Okay.
हम इस पे निशान लगा देंगे लाइक दिस। यस, हमने हाफ अंदर की साइड पे कर दिया है, और उसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे, इस पे
Trace कर देंगे.
बाय यूजिंग पेंसिल हम इसे
Okay.
ट्रेस कर देंगे लाइक दिस। साइड पे किया। अच्छा, जो ट्रेसिंग लाइन आ रही है, एक्चुअल लाइन, उसके नीचे भी हम एक छोटी सी लाइन बनाएंगे,
Okay.
क्योंकि हमें इसे फोल्ड करना है, कट करना है, फोल्ड करना है, ठीक है, लाइक दिस।
Okay, so we have to make it like a ring.
यस यस
Okay.
यस। नाउ अब हम इसके साइड्स बना लेते हैं। इसे
Okay.
साइड की हम मेजर कर लेते हैं, दिस एंड लाइक दिस। देन हम इसका सेंटर निकालेंगे 7 इंचेस ऑलमोस्ट।
Okay.
7 का हाफ कितना होगा? 3.5
Yes.
है ना?
Yes.
ऑलमोस्ट, हाँ 3.5।
Almost.
हम 3.5 पे निशान लगाएंगे,
Okay.
इस पे लाइनिंग करेंगे प्रॉपरली, और इसे हम राउंड कर देंगे, एक शेप दे देंगे राउंड, हाफ राउंड शेप।
Okay. तो सर ये शेड की मेजरमेंट।
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay.
लाइक दिस। डन।
Yes.
इस शेड की हमने मेजरमेंट कर दी, इसे थोड़ा सा राउंड दे दिया है, शेप दे दी हमने। आपने अक्सर कैप्स देखी होगी, इसका फ्रंट ऐसी होता है ना, थोड़ा सा राउंड होता है।
Yes, sir.
Now the design is ready. It's time to use scissor.
Scissors.
I'm going to cut it.
Okay.
जो हमने मेजरमेंट की थी उसे हम नहीं कट करेंगे, उसके बाद जो एरिया हमने चूज़ किया था
Okay.
उसे हम कट करेंगे। आफ्टर कटिंग हम इसके आउटलाइंस को भी कट करेंगे लाइक दिस।
By using this measurements, we can easily make the shade.
यस,
Okay.
नाउ सो गाइस द शेड इज ऑलमोस्ट रेडी,
Okay.
बट हम इसे कट करेंगे और इसमें पेस्ट करना है, तो हमें क्या करना है, जो एक्चुअल लाइन है वहाँ तक हम इसकी स्ट्रिप, छोटी छोटी स्ट्रिप कट कर देंगे लाइक दिस,
Sir, why are we doing that?
बिकॉज वी हैव टू फोल्ड इट, एंड जब हम इसे फोल्ड करेंगे तो ये इसका शेप प्रॉपरली आ जाएगा।
Okay. Because ऐसे तो पेस्ट हो
नहीं हो सकता
वो।
ना, क्योंकि वो
हाँ.
खराब हो जाएगा, दैट्स वाई। बस हम इसे यहाँ पर एंड करने वाले हैं लाइक दिस।
Okay.
सो गाइस ये रेडी है। इसकी जो स्ट्रिप्स मैंने कट की है उसे हम थोड़ा फोल्ड करेंगे, तो ये इसकी पोजीशन ऐसी आ जाएगी।
Okay.
बल्कि हम इसे थोड़ा सा फोल्ड कर देते हैं, या अभी करें या बाद में कर दें, एक साथ ही कर दें,
Yes.
है ना, एक साथ ही कर देंगे। चलें, नाउ इट्स टाइम टू यूज़
Glue.
ग्लू। हम इस जो लाइन है, जो एक्चुअल लाइन है, उस पर हम ग्लू करेंगे
Okay.
प्रॉपरली। इन साइड पे भी ग्लू करेंगे, जो छोटी छोटी हमने स्ट्रिप्स कट करी है। नाउ अब हम इसे
अब हम हेड बैंड पे पेस्ट
हेड बैंड पे से पेस्ट कर देंगे। पहले जो लाइन्स है, इस लाइन पे हम इसकी जो सरफेस है
Okay.
उसे रखेंगे लाइन पे, ताकि वो प्रॉपरली
पेस्ट हो जाए।
पेस्ट हो जाए और डिजाइनिंग में आ जाए और पूरा एक लेवल में आ जाए। ठीक है, यस, ये ऑलमोस्ट लेवल में आ चुका है ना?
Now it's time to fold and paste.
यस, जो इनर साइड है उसे हम फोल्ड करेंगे,
Okay.
बट बहुत इजीली। हमारा कैप जो है बिल्कुल रेडी है, बस लास्ट फोल्डिंग एंड
And
पेस्टिंग।
pasting. Okay.
एंड
Okay, so it's ready.
यस, इट्स रेडी।
That's quite easy.
Yes, it's very easy. It's
Yeah.
very easy. So the head is ready.
Yeah.
अब इसमें एक चीज़ मिसिंग है।
क्या?
अगर हम इसके हेड पर अपने स्कूल का लोगो या मोनोग्राम लगा दे तो,
Oh, that sounds interesting.
है ना?
Yeah.
तो हम क्या करते हैं, इस पर इसके सेंटर पे अपने स्कूल का जो ऑर्किड स्कूल का जो लोगो है, ये हम इस पे पेस्ट कर देंगे
Okay. Let's do it.
बाय यूजिंग दिस
Hot glue.
हॉट
gun.
ग्लू गन, ताकि बहुत इजीली और जल्दी से पेस्ट हो जाए ना, लाइक दिस। सेंटर दिखा, और
Okay.
सेंटर दिखने के बाद हमने इसे
तो हेड बैंड में पेस्ट करना है।
यस यस यस
Okay.
यस 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 और थोड़ा सा फोल्ड कर देंगे ताकि वो
शेप में आ
शेप में आ जाए। अलीशा, आपको ये कैप कैसी लग रही है? अच्छी लग रही है?
Yes, sir. It's looking very sporty.
और जैसे कि आपको पता है, आजकल वेदर भी बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब चल रहा है
Yes.
है ना? तो इस वेदर में आप इसे यूज़ कीजिए और सर मुश्ताक एंड अलीशा को याद कीजिए। सो आवर हेड्स आर
Ready.
रेडी। आपको फ्रंट से भी दिखा देता हूँ।
Yeah. They look amazing.
नाउ द हेड्स आर
Ready.
रेडी।
Yeah.
अब हम इसे क्या करते हैं, हम इसे वेयर कर लेते हैं।
Okay.
ठीक है?
Let's do it. Oh, sir, you look very nice.
एंड यू टू।
Thank you. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this session because it's very amazing, and don't forget to try it. And I'll see you in our next episode. Till then, bye bye.
बाय बाय।